Quickly learn how to edit photos, all right, with Gemini AI. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. Here, we'll be using Google Chrome for this. As the browser opens, visit gemini.google.com. Okay, it has opened and I logged in automatically because I saved my login details here. So click on this plus sign, then select File, Upload Files, all right? Navigate to the folder where you saved the photo you want to edit. So here mine is in the desktop. I'll click there and then I'll click on this and click on open. You can see this photo has been added and I want to edit it. Okay, so you have to ask it what you want it to do to this picture. So let me type what I want it to do here in this chat area. All right, and it says we are the person in the photo an expensive suit and change the suit to fit into and change the shoes to fit into the new wear. So after that, what you need to do is to click on submit. Okay, you can see it has come up with something great. Okay, and it did exactly what you told it to do. It wore him a new suit and then it changed the shoe to fit into the suit properly. That is the power of AI. So if you want to download it, just click on the download button. It will be saved into your PC. Then if you want to copy the image, click here. If you want to share it with others, click here and then copy the link and share to the other people you want them to access it. So once they click on the link, they will be able to view the content. All right, this is downloaded here. So that's the first one. And maybe if you want it to edit it further, maybe you can change it, prompt it to change the background and give it something more attracting. All right, so what you need just to click here and type it, it will return the result as fast as possible. So that's the editing power of Gemini AI. So now let's start a new chat. I want us to prompt this to do something else for us, still in line with editing. So I'll click on this plus sign, upload, and I'll pick the same image. Let's use it to work here again. I'll click on open. So let me prompt it on what I want it to do on this image here. Here it says, create a charcoal sketch of this photo. Maybe you are an author and you are creating something sketchy for your book. You can still use this prompt to do that. So let's send it to see what it gives us in return. And here we are. It has returned something good, which is excellent. Okay, and it has created the charcoal sketch of the original picture. So let's prompt it the last time on another way you can use this to edit your photo. So I'll click on this, click on upload file. Let's use the same picture. I'll click on open. So I'll ask it to do another thing with this. All right, it's still editing. So editing is diverse. So you know what you have in mind that you want it to do for you. Okay, look at my prompt here. It says place him in a beautiful environment in the United States. Wear him clothes that fit for cold weather. All right, so that fits for cold weather. So after that, just click on submit for it to generate that. Is this not beautiful? See what is generated. In fact, I need to download this because I will use it for something else. Come on. So let me download it. So edit the photo the way you want to do it and you're good. At the end, you'll be happy with your editing results. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.